Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Crakrevenue account, which you're going to get to approve instantly. So the first thing you have to do is search for crackrevenue.com or affiliate.crackrevenue.com, which one, any one of the two. So log into their website, then click on sign up. And after that, you fill out the information below, down below. The first name, then fill your first name, or fill my your last name, then your company name. It's not compulsory, but you can also input it. Then you input your Gmail, then followed by a password. Make sure you use a strong password. Then you accept by signing up. You agree to Crakrevenue terms and service and privacy. Then I'm not a robot. Then you click on create affiliate account. Then after that, you confirm. It says, please check your email. Thank you for using as an affiliate with Crakrevenue.com to confirm that you're the owner of the Donadalin at gmail.com. So check your Gmail for the confirmation. Then you confirm your account. So click on confirm email. So improve your crop revenue expense by completing the fees below. So about your business, you choose what is your way. So maybe as an increaser or social media reports, as a social marketer, your top social accounts, make use of Instagram, then your username. Then please pick your top verticals. So you choose can adult games and that's all. Then what are the top countries you promote offers, especially United States, United Kingdom. Then you can just choose any another one like Australia. So like anything else you do like to get Apple faster. So more details about your traffic. I offer high quality traffic using my experience as a digital marketer. So that's why you can also add more to it too. So what's the country of residence? So my country is Nigeria. You also choose your own country, which country you also come from. Then make use of your phone number. instant messaging platform of choice, like using Telegram. Telegram is an is an so how do you hear about us? So like make it a forum. So you don't need anything like promo code, just click on join Crakrevenue now. See, says before you gain access to our offers, we need to review your registration. This process can take up to like business days. You receive a notification email once it has been completed. So that's how you can create a successful Crakrevenue account. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel and please like it and share it. Good day, everyone.